Hey everyone, welcome back to our series of JavaScript programs. We are focusing now only on string programs. We have already covered 3 programs, so if you remember, if not, please go back to the playlist and check once again. Now, coming back to the 4th program, this is also related to the same split join method, so I'm trying to cover all the programs related to that only. So this is a program to check if two strings are anagram of each other or not. So what is anagram? Anagram is basically a terminology where we compare two strings, okay? Compare two strings with each other. So the character count of two strings should remain the same, but the ordering is little different, okay? So if we consider these two words like cinema and iceman, you see these are 6 letters in each, but the ordering is little different, and even the characters are also same, but the ordering is little different. Let's go to the program. Let's create two strings. Okay, we haven't created any function so far, right? So let's create a function because this will have few lines of code. So I just wanted these programs to look more modular. So I'm creating the lambda function here. Okay, let's call this function. I'm passing the same arguments. Okay, now coming back to this. Okay, first thing we discussed here, first thing is the character count should remain the same, otherwise there is no point to check, right? So I'll put a if condition here. I'll check the length of these two strings. So if these two string lengths are not equal, let me put a not equal condition here, then we can just return or maybe return false. And I can add a console log here also, invalid strings. But if the two strings are equal, but there might be chances like characters are not the same, right? If they are not anagram. So let's come to that part. Now what we'll do is the first thing that is coming to my mind, okay, character counts are same, but how to check if two strings are anagram or not? What we can do is maybe we can sort the strings. If you're sorting the two strings, right, if they are using the same characters, then that will be the same word after sorting. So let's create the sorted array, a sorted string. How we reversed a word, right? Because usually a string we cannot reverse just using the string inbuilt methods, right? So there is no inbuilt reverse method available per string, so we are using reverse method of array. Similarly here we will be using sort method of array. We will first split it and then we will sort it, and then again we will join it. This is simple, isn't it? Okay, now coming back to the second string, I'm just modifying here the string 2, and now we will be checking, creating a boolean variable. We need to return a boolean variable, right? So if these two strings are equal or not. Now let's return this. Okay, see, it is returning true. Okay, but what if I just add another character here? it is saying invalid strings. It is stopping here only and it is returning false. But what if character counts is same, but I'm just adding a different character altogether? Six characters, but these are not matching with this. Then also it is returning false. This condition will return false. So this is the output. Okay, now let's change this. Okay, so we are done with this program. Let's jump to our next video and we'll cover another program there. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, thank you.